Greetings, all you maniacs, their minds, Manic Rhymes, and welcome back to yet another installment of Manic Mondays. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing a top list. Top 4 things that I found extremely fascinating in science and space. Okay, let's get going. Number 4, quantum tunneling. Quantum tunneling is the thing in quantum mechanics, the property of quantum mechanics. It says, well, if there's a barrier in my way and I'm a particle, I don't care about the barrier, I'll just go straight through it. Basically, it means it can appear on either side of the barrier. Now, what? That doesn't make any logical sense now, does it? How can a particle, like a photon, go straight through something as dense like lead instantaneously? Well, we still really don't know. Quantum tunneling will actually have some really cool effects in the future once we figure out how to, well, figure it out. It's really strange, and I find all things in quantum physics pretty freaking fascinating. So, let's go on to number 3. Gravitational wave. Gravitational waves are the newest discovery out there. They were recently discovered back in 2015 or 2016. I'm not exactly sure because it's, around 2016. So, what it is basically waves of gravity rippling through space-time. That's all it is. Say you have two massive objects circling each other. Most extreme is like, two black holes circling each other. That's a bunch of nope. But anyway, when they are circling each other like they do, waves of space literally vibrate. The fabric of reality is literally vibrating. That is extremely cool. Now, the article I'm reading doesn't go into great depth on it, but I'm pretty sure you can find more information on it. So, now to move on to number 2. Quantum entanglement. I don't have a good picture of it, I'm sorry. But quantum entanglement in its basic form is spooky action at a distance, aka one particle affects the other even if they are light years across from each other. Now, how the hell does that work? Again, it's quantum physics. We don't really know how they work. We don't really know anything about quantum physics. It's just extremely, extremely weird because quantum physics deals with things on the incredibly small scale, like smaller than even atoms. I'm talking about protons, neutrons, quarks, both up and down, gluons, and, whatchamacallitons and everything. But it's still an extremely weird phenomenon that actually happens in quantum physics. So basically what it means is once we be able to learn how to do this, we can actually communicate with each other from across, say, light years apart without the message taking a year. That's really cool. And even further than that, we'll be able to transport each other from light years going faster than the speed of light without going faster than it. Basically tunneling through space, even though that's a wormhole. Anyway, quantum entanglement is extremely weird, and I think it's really freaking cool. And that does explain how a lot of sci-fi technology, like, just give you a random example, like how they communicate in, say, Star Trek, even though I don't like Star Trek, or Star Wars, they're using quantum mechanics and quantum entanglement to instantly communicate with each other as if they were talking on cell phones on Earth. That's really fucking cool. Now, number 1, the ultimate of nope, supermassive black holes. How the hell are they created? That's my biggest question. Now, supermassive black holes come in a lot of different flavors, but they mostly come in a big ball of nope. Our supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star, is a puny 4.3 million solar masses. Now, 4.3 million solar masses is huge. The average black hole is only about 10 solar masses or 100 solar masses. Now we're getting into the millions and even billions. But nothing compares to the biggest black hole we have ever discovered at 40 billion solar masses. How? Like, how does that even work? How does that even work? Well, we really don't know. Also, the supermassive black hole at our center of our galaxy poses absolutely no threat to us because it's just way too far away. And it alone does not hold the galaxy together. But anyway, the supermassive black hole that's 40 billion solar masses and all the other supermassive black holes, we have absolutely no idea how they're formed. There's a lot of theories. Some say giant gas clouds long ago collapsed in on themselves to make these really big black holes, and they just started eating a bunch of matter and other black holes, and they got bigger and bigger until the matter swirled around them and, helped create the galaxies we see today. Others say that there are huge stars. The first stars were absolutely colossal. The biggest stars nowadays would look like pinpricks to them. But neither of these really have a satisfactory answer, and we're still looking in how the hell these black holes got so fat. How did they get so obese? But anyway, a Sagittarius A star is a midget, well, a small person compared to these heavyweights out there. A normal black hole is enough, nope. But then you have these black holes that are literally bigger than our solar system. Yeah. That's fine. Black holes are middle fingered all physics as we know it, so why not make them bigger? And in fact, some of these black holes are so big, it's like, it really does beg the question, how? Like I said a lot right now. But anyway, that does it for this top 4 list. This is my first ever top 4, top something, this kind of list, like what Watch Mojo does, or top 5s, or top 15 list, or whatever those channels are. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, learned something here. When I was researching these, I was reading the articles, all my mind was melting. It's like, wait, what? Not with black holes, because I understand them as much as scientists do. I really do find them fascinating and terrifying. But the whole quantum stuff, just what the fuck? But anyway, I hope this video comes out nicely and you guys enjoy it. Tomorrow, I'm going to go back to my normal gameplay. So, yeah. For now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and a comment. And remember, in Trilby, we trust. Also, if you want more of these top lists, give me suggestions down below because I would love to do research on any topic you guys want. Thank you.